3號強風信號喺下晝5點20分發出。喺傍晚6點，強烈熱帶風暴風神集結喺香港以南大約430公里，即係喺北緯18.5度、東經114.9度附近。預料向西或西北偏西移動，時速大約18公里，橫過南海北部。過去幾個鐘，風神有所增強，並繼續靠近廣東沿岸。佢嘅外圍雨帶逐漸影響該區。喺風神同東北季候風嘅共同影響下，本港今晚同聽日會普遍吹強風，離岸同高地間中達烈風程度。按照現時預測，風神會喺今晚至到聽朝早最接近香港，喺本港以南大約400公里外掠過。除非風神採取更為接近珠江口嘅路徑，或者顯著增強，否則改發更高熱帶氣旋警告信號嘅機會較低。3號強風信號將會至少維持至到聽日下晝6點。受風神嘅外圍雨帶影響，本港聽日雨勢有時較為頻密，天氣顯著較涼，市區氣溫會逐步下降至到聽晚19度左右，新界再低2-3度，海有大浪及湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊同停止所有水上活動。受天文帶潮、東北季候風同風神嘅共同影響，未來幾日本港沿岸水位普遍會較正常高大約0.5至到1米。喺晚上漲潮嘅時候，部分沿岸低洼地區可能出現水浸，而維多利亞港嘅水位會上升至海圖基準面以上3米左右。
The strong wind signal, number 3, was issued at 5:20 in the afternoon. At 6 p.m., severe tropical storm, Fengshen, was estimated to be about 430 kilometers south of Hong Kong, which is near 18.5 degrees north, 114.9 degrees east, and is forecast to move west, or west-northwest, at about 18 kilometers per hour, across the northern part of the South China Sea. In the past few hours, Fengshen strengthened and continued to edge closer to the coast of Guangdong. Its outer rain bands affected the region gradually. Under the combined effect of Fengshen and the northeast monsoon, winds will be generally strong over the territory tonight and tomorrow, occasionally reaching gale force offshore, and on high ground. According to the present forecast, Fengshen will be closest to Hong Kong tonight to tomorrow morning, skirting at around 400 kilometers or more to the south of the territory. Unless Fengshen adopts a track, closer to the Pearl River estuary, or intensifies significantly, the chance of issuing higher tropical cyclone warning signals is relatively low, and the strong wind signal number 3 will remain in force, at least until 6 p.m. tomorrow. Under the influence of Fengshen's outer rain bands, rain will be frequent at times, and the weather will be appreciably cooler in Hong Kong tomorrow. Temperatures will fall appreciably, to around 19 degrees tomorrow night in the urban areas, and a couple of degrees lower in the new territories. Seas will be rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline, and not to engage in water sports. Under the combined effect of spring tide, the northeast monsoon, along with Fengshen, water levels over local coastal areas will be generally between 0.5 and 1 meter higher than normal in the coming few days. Flooding may occur over some low-lying coastal areas during the high tides at night. The water level over Victoria Harbour will rise to around 3 meters above chart datum.